Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope everyone's well. We've got this lovely 2017 Mythos black metallic Audi A4. It's a 2 litre TDI Ultra S line. It's the S Tronic. It's currently at 27,158 miles and it is a diesel automatic with a full service history. Really nice looking thing. I feel like it'll get a lot of attention. But yeah, we'll start off with the alloy wheels like always. It's got the 18-inch 5 twin spoke star design alloy wheels in really good nick, to be honest. I will show the alloy wheels on the actual Auto Trader page so you can have a really good look. Yeah, really nice alloys. There's a fourth one. Comes with the rear privacy glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate, which is really nice. And I'll show you the full service history, which I'll post on the Auto Trade. So there's one at 9k, 4,000, 16,000, 18,000 and 24,000. So that's really good. 5 services within 27 miles. It comes with 2 keys, which is really good. Automatic dimming rear view mirrors with the folding mechanism and the heated feature. LED headlights with the automatic activation. Front and rear parking sensors, which I'll just show you the tailgate. And acoustic windscreen glazing, which is really nice. As you can see, rear parking sensors. Inside the vehicle, it's got the child protection lock, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding and heated mechanism, which I was on about, the open tailgate, storage compartment, Bang & Olufsen sound system. So it's got a premium 3D sound system, which is really good. Electronic adjustable carbon black leather S-line sports seats, working perfectly fine, as you can see. Like I mentioned, automatic headlights just there. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with speed limiter just there, automatic wipers and automatic headlights like I mentioned just there. It's got a digital speedometer and a instrument cluster. It's got 27,158 miles. It's got driving assist, so yeah, really nice. With the center console, it's got driving select mode, so there's individual, dynamic, auto and comfort and efficiency. You can change the sound. There's a radio with FM, DAB and AM, which is really good. Bluetooth integration, which I can't do at the moment with the media. Same with the telephone, I can't do that at the moment. There's the navigation, as you can see, really nice, working perfectly fine. There's also traffic report messages in the local area. There's Audi Connect, so Google Earth, special destinations, Wi-Fi audio player. There's Audi smartphone, which I can't do because I've not paired my phone, and there's all different settings. I'll just show you the reverse parking sensors. Front and rear reverse parking sensors working perfectly fine. As you see, you saw them just work then. It's got dual zone air conditioning, stop and start mechanism, traction control, parking assist, 12-volt plug socket, keyless push to start here. It's got 2 cup holders with the ambient lighting all around, menu selector, and it's got the automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, a lovely carbon black leather armrest with plenty of storage and 2 USB ports and auxiliary just there. Yeah, really nice inside. Regarding the interior, well looked after by its previous owner. I'll just show you the back. In the back, as you can see, it's got the premium sound system with the 3D sound, electronic windows, storage compartment, carbon black leather seats with the lovely armrest. It's got the air conditioning unit there, digital air conditioning unit, which you can change the degree. 12-volt plug socket, so we've got 2 12-volt plug sockets. Plenty of leg space, well looked after by its previous owner. Yeah, really nice regarding the interior. In the back, as you can see, it's got the plenty of boot space. It's got an additional spare tyre as well, which is really nice, very handy. But yeah, well looked after by its previous owner. No scuffs, no tears in the interior. Yeah, really nice car, to be honest. Valet has done a great job cleaning the vehicle. Yeah, there's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.